Hello everyone, welcome to Access for Free. In today's video, we're going to learn how to highlight rows in Microsoft Access Continuous Forms. Let's get started. First, open the contact form. This is the same form we created in the previous video. Now switch to Design View. Over here, copy your primary key field. In our case, this is Contact ID. Now paste it into the form header section. Next, open the Property sheet. Go to the All tab and remove its control source. Now change its name to Selected ID. Click anywhere outside to select the form. Go to the Property sheet, then open the Events tab. Find the OnCurrent event. Click the three dots and choose Code Builder, then press OK. Now inside the code window, write Selected ID equals Contact ID. Save and close the window. Now save the form and switch to Form View. Here you'll see that Selected ID shows the contact ID of the row that currently has focus. Now go back to Design View. Select all the fields in the Details section. Go to the Format tab and click Conditional Formatting. Click New Rule. Choose Expression Is. In the expression box, write Selected ID equals Contact ID. Now choose a background color for highlighting, for example, a light green color. Click OK, then Apply, then OK. Switch to Form View. Now you'll see that the active row is highlighted. Next, we'll also highlight the field that has focus. Go back to Design View. Select all the fields again. Go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and create a new rule. This time, choose Field Has Focus. Select a background color, for example, a darker green. Click OK, then Apply, then OK. Now go to Form View. If the field is not highlighting, go back to Design View. Open Conditional Formatting again. Here you'll see that rules are applied in order. Move the Field Has Focus rule above the Row Highlight rule. Click Apply, then OK. Now go back to Form View. You'll see that the active row is highlighted and the field in focus is also highlighted. Finally, we don't want the Selected ID field to be visible, so go back to Design View. Select the Selected ID field. Open the Property sheet, go to the Format tab, and set Visible to No. Now switch back to Form View. The field is now hidden, and your highlighting works perfectly. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.